Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. Friends, today I am going to give you a very important update related to age relaxation for teacher recruitment opportunities in Karnataka. For that matter, not only teacher recruitment, they are talking about all the civil services here. I know that many of you were worried earlier related to your age crossing because the recruitments were not coming up, and you all were worried that if your age limit is crossed, then you will not be able to write the teacher recruitment exams. But now I think it will be a big relief for you all. Now this update is actually published officially. It is the CNR rule which is published in Karnataka Rajyapatra, and you can see the date also. The date is January 29th, 2026. So as per this official order, the Karnataka government has very clearly given the relaxation of a maximum age limit for direct recruitment to state civil services post. Now this is going to be a one-time measure actually. So let me explain it to you actually why this order came. See, actually in September 2025, the government had given age relaxation for 3 years. But with this, many aspirants, especially teacher aspirants, were not satisfied because due to COVID also things were delayed, and even the recruitments have not come in Karnataka since long time. So that's why aspirants were demanding for more age relaxation. And that's why finally the government has accepted this genuine problems, and the final decision has come here and published in this CNR rule. And it has approved for 5 years age relaxation. Now this is going to be a one-time measure only, as I already told you. So here you can see, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಸೇವಾ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವ ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಗರಿಷ್ಠ ವಯೋಮಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಯ ಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಸಡಿಲಿಸುವ ಕುರಿತು. So here it is mentioned that this benefit of age relaxation will be applicable for all recruitment notifications which will be issued in Karnataka up till 31st December 2027. First let me go through this document, and then again we will talk about the age relaxation numbers also. Okay, I have shared it in our Telegram channel also. If you are one of the members in our Telegram channel or Telegram group, then you will be knowing about that age numbers also. Anyway, we'll discuss it again in this session only at the end. Okay. So here see what they are telling. Sarkarada Adesha Sankhye this and they are telling a 29th January date. ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿರುವ ಅಂಶಗಳ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಲಾದ ದಿನಾಂಕ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 29/9/2025. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಆ ಆದೇಶ ಹೊರಡಿಸಿದ ದಿನಾಂಕದ ನಂತರ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಾಂಕ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 31st December 2027 ರವರೆಗೆ ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿಗಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನು ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿ ಹೊರಡಿಸುವ ಅಧಿಸೂಚನೆಗಳನ್ವಯ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರವರ್ಗಗಳ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಆ ಯಾರು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ನಿಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿರುವ ಗರಿಷ್ಠ ವಯೋಮಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿಯ ಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸಡಿಲಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿ ಆದೇಶಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಆಶಾ ಕುಮಾರಿ, ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಟು ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟಿವ್ ರಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್. So finally the Karnataka government has now cancelled the earlier order of 3 years age relaxation, and now they have increased it to 5 years age relaxation. Okay. So this is our Telegram channel. Here you can see that we have posted these information on January 22nd only. So the important update related to Karnataka government, it has approved that one time 5-year upper age relaxation for all categories in government job recruitments is done now, and this is applicable till 31st December 2027. Okay, now updated maximum age limits you can see here for general category. The maximum age limit, earlier it was 35 years, now it has become 40 years. And if you are from a SC/ST group, then you will be having age limit till 45 years now, and from OBC you will have 43 years of maximum age limit in order to attend the exams for Karnataka government jobs. Okay, clear, right? Okay, friends, we really hope that this news motivates you to prepare for the teacher recruitment jobs. We are hoping that this time at least whatever the education minister is telling will be serious, and hopefully the recruitments will come soon. Okay, thank you. All the best. Bye.